Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I have a lot in store for you. We are going to be cleaning the kitchen, the refrigerator, because I need to go grocery shopping, which it will be a haul at the end of the video, and I'm going to be showing you an easy recipe. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. This is after breakfast and lunch. I typically like to clean up after each meal, but I did not get a chance to. Just some random stuff that's in places where it doesn't need to be. Of course, we got dishes in the sink, and then just food and stuff is just still out. So what I'm gonna do is clean the kitchen first, and then we'll go ahead and clean out the refrigerator.
got nowhere to go. I need you to know I will carry you home, carry you home.
Now that the kitchen is clean, we are going to be tackling this refrigerator. I want to go grocery shopping, but as you can see, anything that I purchased will not be able to fit in here, so it is time to start cleaning things out. There was some things in here that it was just time to throw away, and 9 times out of 10, my refrigerator just needs to be reorganized to make room for new things. Since the refrigerator was not that bad, it didn't have a lot of stuck on food spills and stuff like that like it usually do. It's just mostly crumbs. I'm just going to be taking a sponge with some dish detergents and some hot water, and I'm just going to be wiping it down. So this is what we're looking like now that everything is back in. Like I said, there was some stuff that needed to be thrown away, but mostly it just needed to be reorganized, and you can see how much space that I have left in there. Now I'm just going to be taking everything that needs to be thrown away, and I'm going to be emptying that into the trash can so I can go ahead and get these dishes into the dishwasher. Now I'm going to be showing you a simple salad recipe. I noticed that my spinach was on the edge of going bad, and so was the strawberries, and I needed to buy some more, but I didn't want to throw these good ingredients away. So I'm just going to make a simple salad for me to eat before I go grocery shopping. And this salad, all you're going to need is half of a red onion, as much spinach as you would like, some strawberries, some walnuts, and some raspberry vinaigrette. This salad was light and refreshing, and it was just what I needed in order to go grocery shopping, because we do not want to go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. Starting off the grocery haul, I picked up some chicken wings. This is the big pack. I also got some chicken breasts. Now these were on sale, buy one get one free, so if you have a Kroger's near you, you might want to go ahead and check them out. My family eats chicken breasts like all the time. I picked up this spinach dip for a snack for me because I love this with some hint of lime tortilla chips. It's really good. We got some diced tomatoes, and then I got this steak chop. I bought a lot of them because they seem to don't have them, so I had just to restock up on that. Easy meal prep. Some macaroni and cheese cups for the kids, and then I got a lot of snacks for the kids for school. So I got some cheese crackers, some animal crackers here. All of them love it. I got some couscous for me because I need to start incorporating more healthy whole grains into my diet. I got some crispy onions here for a salad, some almonds for a snack. I also picked up some pasta for me. I love penne pasta. Also got some rice stuff, like cilantro rice and some gumbo mix. I picked up some roast beef for lunch meat for sandwiches. Got some tuna, and then I got these for the kids to make for Valentine's Day, something cute for us to do as a family. We got some yogurt here, and they all just eat the ones with the M&Ms in it. I picked up some deodorant for me, some cream cheese for my bagels, and this is really the only cream cheese besides the plain ones that's right next to it. That's the only one that I eat. Picked up some more yogurt. If you guys are lactose, check out this brand. Again, this is a Kroger's brand. I'm not sure if they have it anywhere else, but I got that. I picked up the kids some chocolate milk, some Yoo-Hoos. Comment down below if you guys grew up on those, the glass bottles, not these. I also got some Lunchables, and then we restocked on the almond milk. So I get the vanilla and the original, depends on what we're doing or what we're eating with it. I got some honey butter. We also had to restock up on biscuits, and I just got some vanilla yogurt as well. Over here is just another pack of chicken. Picked up some whipped cream to put on like pancakes and French toast and hot chocolates. Then over here, I just got some more rice size, like different kind of rice size to go with our meals. Some rice cakes, again, another healthy snack option. I picked up some more milk, and then I have some baby cereal here. The bacon, the turkey bacon was on sale, so I stocked up a lot on that. Got some more smoked sausages. I got some oyster crackers to go with soup. So restocked up on my coffee creamers, and I really only do the French vanilla and the hazelnut. We got some honey buns, some mini Nella wafer crackers, some applesauce, and then a whole bunch of snacks, like I said, for the kids. We got some red potatoes and some regular potatoes for dinner. Again, more snacks and cookies because we are running through them because they had to take a snack for school every day. So we got some oatmeal, some Teddy crackers, some Pop-Tarts, some celery because I am juicing and that's what I use to juice. Stocked up on bread, and then we got some green onions here, some peppers, some bananas, and then I had to restock up on the donuts. Then we just got a couple of dozen of eggs. I get the white eggs, the large. We got some muffins here, some chips, my chips to go with my dip. I love those. And then we have some meatballs here. This is a different brand that I'm going to be trying. And then I just got some breakfast sausages, the links, and the patties. I also picked up these shrimp and crab ragoons for me for like a simple lunch option or snack option. A whole bunch of shrimp, different sizes, some pancake and sausage on a stick for breakfast for the kids. Also got some chicken nuggets here for a quick lunch option. And then I got some more breakfast stuff for the kids. I picked up some pancakes and some French toast sticks. Again, it's just some quick breakfast items before school. Also got some French fries as well. Love these in the air fryer for them. I also picked up these cauliflowers. Let me know if you have ever seen these or tasted these. This is my first time getting them and I just really wanted to try them. I got some filet tilapias. I got some fried shrimp, and then this is some more plant-based meats that I wanted to try. So let me know in the comments down below if you have ever tasted these. I'm really curious on how they taste. Then I just got a whole box of spinach, frozen spinach, and then some ground beef. So that is pretty much everything that I got for this round of grocery shopping. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like so I know what kind of content to keep recreating. As always, I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.